Uh, Welcome to Vibrant Space. Today I'm going to be talking about how you can set up OAuth on NeoMutt or relatively any CLI tool. For that, I think we're going to use this tool, Vygrant, which is still in development mode, heavy development, but I think it's worked for this case. It works for this case. We're going to set up for NeoMutt a terminal email client for NeoMutt, and we're going to use isync and mbsync to sync emails. So if you use those to sync email, I think you need this patch on GitHub. If you use Arch Linux, you can install it using AUR, for example. Let me just open my terminal and go cd downloads cloned stuff cd. I think I have this cloned, so I have this cloned from the AUR. What I need to do is make package only. If you want to install, you just do make package si. Because I already have it, I don't want to overwrite it. So after installing it, or you can use yay and install the package. The package name so is the same, it doesn't change unless you use it doesn't matter. But if you're outside Arch ecosystem, your package manager or manually, you can take this and get it going. After installing this for mbsync, you need to install vygrant, and again you can use yay to install this. For example, search vygrant. It is on AUR and I have it installed. So just after installing it, I won't be installing because I have it. A relatively small package. So after installing it, I think what you need, let me just open this, start the daemon. Okay, I've got battery issues, but anyway, vygrant server. Well, you see, I do not have any configuration. That's why it gave this error. But if you want, you just vygrant, see the options. Init is to initialize with default configuration, and then you can you can modify it. That config, let me just open it. This is the default configuration. Is pretty simple and straightforward. I just got a one pretty made and ready for this. So let me open so you can see a HTTPS port. HTTP is not supported yet because I don't know, Microsoft won't work if you're using HTTP, and it makes sense. So just use HTTPS. So and these are the options. Those about your Microsoft account, I think you can find it on your settings if you are using Outlook on the web client, so you can find them. I set up 2 accounts here. I did set up 2 accounts. So anyway, I did set up 2 accounts. I think let me start the server. Vygrant server, it's running. Vygrant, let me just check the options. In info, server is running. This is the public key, fingerprint or hex of the public key. Let's status to check. We did configure 2 accounts as we saw there, those 2 accounts, and they just need to start operating so they can start handling your tokens. To start handling your tokens, this is force of habit. first of all, let's start with msmtp-rc, which we are configuring msmtp. For the password, you just here on passdevel, you just do a vygrant token and the name of your app or your account. How depends on how you configure it, and it is all. Use OAuth or OAuth for what is it for mbsync or isync whatsoever. We use we don't use password, we use this plugin that we installed it. If we do not install this plugin, it will fail because well, it won't be supported. So be sure to install this plugin if you're using isync or mbsync whatsoever. Be sure to install this. And this configuration, actually these two configuration, I made them using NeoMutt wizard, so just check it out. You can add your accounts, and it's a pretty neat tool. If you want to check it out, just go here on Locksmith NeoMutt wizard, and there is a cool tutorial here. You can, I don't know, follow it along, and it will set up NeoMutt for you. After doing it, we are ready to start to use. Let me just open NeoMutt here. I do not have any email. I do not have any email here on the second account. Yes, I do have email. So anyway, this is the second account, Ailton account, but Vygrant one, I do not have any. So we're going to get some emails on it. Let's set up Vygrant. If we check, these are the options. We need to get the token get Vygrant. We're going to open this. We're going to open this on the browser. Okay, allow it. Let me just allow it and agree and continue. I don't know. Something has happened. Okay, let me check if it worked. Okay, and now it's handling authentication. If you get this, because it succeeded. If we go back and we do status, we have a valid token. I won't be showing my token because anyway, if we do a token get, it will get the token and it will display on the screen. But for security reasons, I don't want to show. Now that we got for the Vygrant account that token valid, so we can open NeoMutt. For example, I can send an email, for example, to my email Ailton at outlook.com. Subject hello. I can type anything here. Hello. Save, quit, and send. The email is sent. Let me also send an email back. Send an email back. Hello, my friend, with my phone. If we come back here, by far now we know that we can send emails. Inbox, for example, this is the email I received from my other account. I'll be from my other account. Because now on our inbox we do not have anything, just on sent we send those two emails. let me just mbsync. Let me sync it, see if it gets the email. Well, let me see if it did sync. Yeah, it did sync the email. So this is the email. Anyway, if we open the email, this is the email. I can reply. I'm fine, and close, send, and this is it. I think this is it for today's video, and it's okay, but this is all. I can send email from this, for example, from this to, but because I did not configure it anyway, just this. But this is how we can work this out and have a good setup and keep using your email on the terminal. That's all for today's video, and thanks.